Now that you've successfully connected your ad accounts, it's time to bring that unified data into Google Data Studio for easy visualization and analysis. Step 1, pick a template. For this demo, we'll be using the blank report. The first thing you'll have to do is authorize Google Data Studio to access the Joinr connector. Next, you'll authorize the Joinr connector to access data. Be sure to close that tab out when it's authorized to continue. The next step is to add data. On the template preview, you can see a step-by-step guide for adding data, or you can even click into the support documentation to open up these steps in a new window. Or you can keep following along with this video. We have better music here. The third step is to click Add Data at the top right. This will open up a list of Google connectors, where you can search for Joinr and pick the Joinr connector. One more quick authorization and it's time to select your data source. For Account, you'll select Joinr, and for View, you'll pick your ad bundle. For now, I just have one to choose from. Then you'll click Add, and just like that, your Joinr data is connected to Google Data Studio. When you're ready, click Edit and Share to start building out a GDS dashboard with clean, cross-channel data and pristine visuals. Now, you're ready to rock with unified ad data.